Well, it's been a while since we have actually looked at a smartphone by Lava. With so much going on, budget phones are still one of the most insane things. Even though you might like something a lot better, things are such that there is no compromise. The Lava Iris 41 has a really nice design, fantastic build quality and a very nice performance. Definitely this isn't one of those very high-end smartphones, but for the price, the device packs a lot of stuff inside it. So what's going on, guys? Zakir here, back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Lava Iris 41. So without much further ado, let's go straight into the video. Starting off with the design of the Lava Iris 41. The Lava Iris 41 has an okayish design. If this device in particular is compared with the other ones, really Lava did a horrible job. The Walton Primo RH3 has a much better design and looks than this one, so there are so much more to consider. From a very design perspective, the Lava Iris 41 isn't really enough or any close to what you would really be expecting in such a device. The right and the left side all houses the buttons to control the very general usage of the device. Holding the phone on hand, the buttons are really easily reachable. There aren't any huge stretching needed to reach all corners of the phone. Do keep it noted that the phone is really small and light without some super huge uncomfortableness. The iPhone X, for instance, is really nice phone, but a lot of us do not like the big form factor of the device, and so we feel really sad. However, though, anyone comparing this device with an iPhone X will really look stupid and meaningless or whatsoever. Speaking about the display of the device, the phone has a very okayish display. The display, for instance, gets really bright with a very sharp point of view and a clear spread of color and contrast. Using the phone under direct sunlight, the screen got really bright and I personally did not face any issue. The color and contrast, as mentioned earlier, was really amazing, and honestly speaking, there isn't anything I would complain about. The touch response of the display was really impressive. The phone rocks a 4-inch display which has a FWBGA 854x480 pixels resolution display. Speaking about what powers the device, the phone is powered with a dual-core 1.3 GHz processor with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of ROM. For the graphics card, the phone rocks a Mali 400, which definitely isn't the best thing ever, but really I just feel like it's fine. The phone performed really well. Moving between apps and using normal softwares has been no issue, and to be honest, I'm really impressed with the total performance of this thing. Even though it isn't a monster and really does not perform super well, but for the money it is overwhelming. If the camera is considered, the front camera is a 5MP shooter and the back camera is an 8MP shooter that takes very decent pictures. The quality, to be honest, isn't any closer to what you would get from high-end smartphones, but yeah, it's just fine because at the end of the day you do have to consider that it is a budget phone. All in all, it is safe to say that the Lava Iris 41 isn't a really nice phone for anyone who is looking into the high-end budget level market, but if you are in a very tight constrained budget, then this is the phone to check out. To be honest, it has a really nice design, a very good shape and form factor. The build quality is fantastic. The screen is really nice, it has a loudspeaker, and overall the phone really does the job very well. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all have really enjoyed the video. If you didn't, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more contents like this one. All my social medias, including my website, is linked in the description box down below, so make sure to go and check them out. I'm moving to do my face review as soon as possible, so make sure you guys subscribe and also turn the notification bell on so that you are notified when I do the face review. A giveaway is coming as well, so I will announce the giveaway on my face review video, so do stay tuned with that as well. So take care, guys. All my social medias and my website is linked in the description box down below. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, take care. This is Zakir from Zars Tech. Goodbye. Peace.